In HR, the volume of administrative drafting is often what keeps you at your desk long after the rest of the office is left. If you ask Claude to write a job ad using a vague one-sentence instruction, you receive a generic response that requires significant rewriting to be useful. To get professional, structured documents, you need to provide specific context and limits. We use the brief framework from AIHR to build these instructions. To follow along, you'll need an active Claude account and a specific HR task you want to automate. There is one absolute rule: never paste personally identifiable information or confidential salary data into any public AI platform. Standardizing your data hygiene and your prompt structure allows you to use AI as a secure, specialized HR assistant. This is the blank canvas where we construct our master prompt. Step 1 is background. Tell Claude exactly who you are. You are the HR manager of a mid-sized tech firm preparing for a software engineer recruitment drive. Defining your role prevents the AI from generating generic content. Step 2 is request. Define the deliverable. Create a job description for a software engineer. Explicitly list the sections you need, like overview, responsibilities, and qualifications. Locking in the background and structural requirements sets the strategic boundaries for the document. Step 3 is instruction. This is where you dictate tone and reading level. We'll ask for a professional but approachable tone, using short paragraphs and bullet points so the document is easy to scan. Claude often defaults to complex wording, so these instructions ensure a standard internal communication tone. Step 4 is expectation. Show the AI what a successful output looks like by providing a template. We'll instruct it to start with a summary, provide exactly 3 bullets for the responsibilities, and finish with a closing sentence. Defining these formatting rules on the front end means you won't have to manually reformat the text later. The final step is focus, where you set negative constraints, the things the AI must avoid. We add our limits. Keep this under 300 words. Do not include compensation details. Avoid gendered wording. In HR, telling the AI what not to do is a primary defense against policy errors and biased language. Now we execute the completed brief prompt. Claude processes these instructions simultaneously, applying your constraints to every sentence it generates. Those 2 minutes of engineering mean you won't spend your afternoon fixing generic text or manually reformatting a messy draft. Look at the difference. On the left is the dense, unformatted block of text from a standard prompt. On the right is the structured, bulleted document generated by the brief prompt. The brief output followed every constraint, omitting compensation details and staying within the word count. However, regardless of the prompt's quality, the result is always a first draft. A human professional must still review the document for accuracy, check for subtle bias, and make the final decision. Screenshot this summary card. Apply the brief framework to your next HR task in Claude to reclaim your time. Mastering prompt design removes the repetitive drafting work, allowing you to focus entirely on the human-centric decisions that matter.